Okay, so today we are going to look at some really rough notes, no judging, about this next concept that we're going to cover. We will talk about it Tuesday, and on Wednesday we will do a little writing exercise about it. So I just want to make sure that we cover the vocabulary and also the math. I will show you how to use the calculator for this tomorrow, but I just wanted to make sure I got a video in for you starting now. Okay, so the key, we're going to talk about looking at data, statistics really, and how to start making conclusions about that data. So data, potato, potato. Don't know which one is actually correct, but we're going to say data. Sometimes data. All right, so the first keyword is association, and that is how the x variable and the y variable, i.e. the independent and the dependent variable, are connected with each other. And what I want you to think about is slope. Slope, direct variation. Basically, you're going to say, is there a positive association? Is there a negative association? Is there no association? So if you look here, as the x-axis or the values on the x-axis increase, the y values are increasing as well. And that looks like a positive line, a positive slope. So it's a positive association. And when the x increases, the y decreases. So it looks like a negative slope or a negative association. And here when the x increases, y is just doing what it wants to do. Look, sometimes as when x is low, y was low, but also y was high. And then when I have the x is high, so was the y, but then also it was low, and in the middle, there's no association here. I can't figure out a slope for this. So that's the first one. You'll be asked to tell whether a graph has an association, a positive, negative, or no association. And you'll also be asked to tell whether a table has it. So if I look here, I notice that my x values are increasing, and as my x value increases, my y values are decreasing. So though it's not a consistent decrease, it is consistently decreasing. And so as x increases, y decreases. This is a negative association.